The Chief Minister of Delhi, Arvind Kejriwal, has been arrested by the Enforcement Directorate on 21st March 2024. Now, he has been linked to corruption in the liquor policy case that the Delhi government implemented in 2021. Now, why has Arvind Kejriwal been arrested? What is this liquor policy case? Why is the opposition calling Arvind Kejriwal's arrest a death of democracy? And will Arvind Kejriwal still be the Chief Minister of Delhi? Now, we are going to answer all of those questions in this video. So please stay with me till this end of this video so you can understand what is actually going on. And if you're new here, please subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you do not miss our new videos. So first, let us talk about this whole liquor case. What exactly is this liquor case? So in November 2021, the Delhi government basically allowed the private players to enter the liquor segment in Delhi. So they aimed to privatize the liquor sector, which was earlier controlled by the government. Not only that, but they also allowed the licensees to basically provide discounts to their customers and also sell liquor at the prices that were set by them instead of selling them at the prices that were set by the government itself. So there are about 32 wards in Delhi, and the government aimed to allow at least 2 liquor vans to be set up in each of these wards. And upon review, this policy that was scrutinized by the Delhi Chief Secretary, he found that there were violations in this policy. What were the violations that he found in this particular policy? First, he found that this policy was aimed at cartelization and monopolization of few big players, which simply means that the Delhi government aimed to prefer only a handful number of players, private players, in this particular liquor segment. Second, this report also found that the then Deputy Chief Minister of Delhi, Manish Sisodia, allegedly made some adjustments to this new excise policy wherein he waived off about 144 crore rupees on the license fee. And this was all done without the approval of the Lieutenant Governor or the cabinet. It also stated that Manish Sisodia basically removed the imposition of an import pass fee of rupees 50 per case of beer. And all of this basically led to financial losses in terms of revenue to the Delhi government. And these losses, they basically amounted to rupees 580 crores. And after these findings, the Delhi Chief Secretary, he submitted this particular report to the Delhi Lieutenant Governor, who in turn then recommended the CBI to basically look into this whole matter. The CBI then raided the house of the then Deputy Chief Minister, Manish Sisodia. And the CBI had a list of about 15 individuals that were involved in this particular case. After that, the CBI arrested Aam Aadmi Party's communications head, Vijay Nair, who was linked to this particular case. And then in March 2023, the CBI also arrested Manish Sisodia. In October 2023, the ED also arrested another prominent AAP leader, Aam Aadmi Party leader, Sanjay Singh, and in the same month, they also summoned Arvind Kejriwal, the Chief Minister of Delhi, for the very first time. Now, while we are talking about this, there was another arrest that was made just a few days prior to the arrest of the Chief Minister, and it was on 16th of March, and it was the arrest of K. Kavita, who is the leader of the Bharat Rashtra Sangh. Now, this particular case has also been regarded as the South Lobby case or the South Group case. The ED alleged that Miss K. Kavita, she was part of the South Group, which basically paid money to the AAP leaders in order to receive undue benefits from this particular excise policy, this new excise policy that has now been scrapped off. It was scrapped off in 2022 itself. Now, as per the ED investigation, Miss K. Kavita, along with others, conspired with the top leaders of Aam Aadmi Party, including Arvind Kejriwal and Manish Sisodia, for getting favors from this particular excise policy. And in exchange of these favors, she was involved in the payment of about 100 crore rupees to the top Aam Aadmi Party leaders. All of this has been alleged by the ED. Now, on 21st March 2024, after being summoned for the 9th time, the ED finally, they showed up at the residence of the Chief Minister, Arvind Kejriwal, and arrested him. Now, just hours before his arrest, Arvind Kejriwal actually appealed to the Delhi High Court to provide him with interim bail and protection in case he was being arrested. Now, the Delhi High Court, they basically denied his request, and they said that after hearing both the sides, they could not grant protection to Arvind Kejriwal at that particular stage. Ever since Arvind Kejriwal's first summon, him and his party, they have been saying that this summon was illegal and they were not willing to cooperate, and that if he were to cooperate, if he were to show up, then the ED would put him behind bars. The Aam Aadmi Party, they have argued that this particular arrest is politically motivated by the ruling party in India, which is the BJP. Not only that, but they've also labeled the arrest of Aam Aadmi Party leaders as dirty politics. Aam Aadmi Party has also said that there are no evidence of wrongdoings on their part in this particular investigation. And Arvind Kejriwal, he also went on to say that if he is corrupt, then there is no one in this world who is honest. Furthermore, the Delhi government then asked the ED to basically provide evidence regarding the summoning of the Delhi Chief Minister in front of the ED. Now, Arvind Kejriwal has been labelled as the kingpin and the top conspirator in this whole situation, in this whole liquor policy case, and the corruption and the money laundering that has been basically linked to the top Aam Aadmi Party leaders. Now, Arvind Kejriwal and his party, Aam Aadmi Party, they've also been accused of basically using the 100 crore rupees that they got allegedly from the South Group to fund the Goa Assembly elections that took place in 2022. Now, as mentioned earlier, Aam Aadmi Party has labelled all of this, the whole situation, the arrest of their top leaders, including Arvind Kejriwal's arrest, a politically motivated step by the ruling party. And Aam Aadmi Party's members, they've also been protesting the arrest of Arvind Kejriwal. Now, this criticism does not end here. Arvind Kejriwal's arrest has also received condemnation from the India Bloc. Just a few moments after the arrest of Arvind Kejriwal, Rahul Gandhi, he tweeted, "A scared dictator wants to create a dead democracy." Not only that, but Akhilesh Yadav, he also came forward and said that Arvind Kejriwal's arrest would give birth to a new people's revolution. He further said that the arrest of opposition leaders showed that the BJP was imprisoned in the fear of defeat in the coming elections. So Arvind Kejriwal's arrest has been receiving a lot of criticism and condemnation from the opposition parties. Arvind Kejriwal is the second chief minister who has been arrested in just 2 months. Earlier in January 2024, Hemant Soren was also arrested just hours after his resignation as the chief minister of Jharkhand on corruption charges. And not only that, but Rahul Gandhi also said that the accounts of the Indian National Congress, they were being frozen. And this is exactly why the opposition has been labeling his arrest as death of democracy. And while Aam Aadmi Party, they've rejected all the claims of their top leaders' involvement in this particular case, the BJP, they've denied all accusations of any political motivation. Now the question here arises, will Arvind Kejriwal still be the chief minister of Delhi? Can he still run as the chief minister of Delhi while being in jail? So Delhi's finance minister Atishi, she said that Arvind Kejriwal will continue to run as the chief minister of Delhi, and that they've been saying this for months, that if Arvind Kejriwal were to be arrested, he will run the government from jail. And if any cabinet meetings were to be held, they would be taken from the jail itself. Now, legally speaking, there is no constitutional law or article that prevents Arvind Kejriwal from running the government as the chief minister from jail. So legally speaking, he can still be the chief minister, he can still run the government. But practically speaking, it would be difficult for him to basically run everything that is going to happen, all the decisions that he will have to make from jail itself. He can only step down as the chief minister in a few circumstances, and these circumstances are: first, if he loses the support of his party members in the house; second, if there is a successful no confidence motion that takes place in the house itself; third, if he's found guilty, if he's convicted in this case; and fourth, if the president intervenes in this particular case. Only under these circumstances can he step down, or will he be forced to step down as the chief minister. Now, another question here is that, can a sitting chief minister be arrested? And the answer is yes. A chief minister, a sitting chief minister, or even a prime minister for that matter, can be arrested if any of their involvement comes up in such a case. They can be arrested. Only the president of India and the governors of states and union territories, they are immune to being arrested. And this is clearly mentioned in the Article 361 of the Indian Constitution. It says that no criminal proceedings whatsoever shall be instituted or continued against the President of India or governor in any court during his term in office, and that no process of arrest or imprisonment shall issue from any court during his term. So it is clear that only the president and the governors of states and union territories, they are immune to any criminal charges and arrests while they are in power. So this is what has happened so far in the liquor policy case. What do you think about this case? Do you think that there is any legitimate involvement of the chief minister of Delhi and other top Aam Aadmi Party officials in this case? Or is this case politically motivated? Please let me know what your thoughts are in the comments below. If you found this video valuable, please share this video with your friends and family. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video and have a great day.